Come on, join me. Take it next to your chocolate treat.
Ah, hello, I've just worked out. So I need a snack. But it's not fun unless we see who's the fastest person to eat it. 27 carbs and 13 sugars in a 36 gram bar. In 3, 2, 1, go. So I messaged Active North Tyneside. There we are, there's the message. And the full message reads, "Hello, I'm Ashley, co-founder of Stag Fitness, the brand new fitness studio and exclusive gym in Royal Keys Outlet Centre. Just wondered if there's a chance we could partner with Active North Tyneside. I have watched a few videos and noticed that a few trainers have bad form, posture and technique on their squats, for example. If we could help in any way, don't hesitate to get in touch." And their response is, "Thanks for messaging us. We are available Monday to Friday between 9 and 5. It's Thursday at 3 o'clock. We'll get back to you soon." Might seem to some people that's a bit, not insensitive, a bit negative or whatever, but if you're training someone a fundamental movement, yours better either be spot on or you at least know how to do it spot on, to teach them the basics, the foundation and the fundamentals of that movement. We've been here since 6. Why can't I do that with my... Oh, there we are. 9:30, no one in. So that's why we're doing this. See who can get the least amount with 11 darts 3 times.